Yo, what's up guys, this is Wally right here. Welcome back to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make pancakes.
Want some pancakes?
You made pancakes?
Yep.
It's a very simple breakfast recipe. You don't need too many ingredients. It's very easy to make. It's also super delicious. If you know how I make these pancakes, stay tuned and watch me. Well, let me show you what we need for this recipe. And we have 300 grams of flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 60 grams of milk butter, 500 ml of buttermilk, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder, and of course baking soda.
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
And for the topping, I have cranberry syrup. First of all, I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients. And the second step, the liquid ingredients. Now let's mix it together.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
Well, it's done. It looks super delicious. Now our pancakes are ready to eat.
Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Wow.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Alright, Phoebe, stick out your plate.
Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, press the like button, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
There goes a sight from my soul.